Hello guys, this is Pawan from Embedotronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can install Python in our Windows system. And in this, we will run our Python code in VS Code. So we will basically install Python, and we will also see how we can run that code in our favorite VS Code editor using Python extension. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll just go to our favorite browser. Okay, here we will just search Python download for Windows. So the very first link here, we'll just click on it, and here in the download section we'll just click on it. As soon as I'll click on it, I'll get the executable file. So I'm just hitting this, clicking on this Python 3.12.3. So okay, so here you can see exe is installing, so it won't take much time. It's almost finished. Now we will just run it, this exe, and we'll just install it. So we can directly install now, we can do, and also we can do the customized installation. We can also take on this use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and add python.ext to path. We can click on it both. Here we can click on install now directly, but I'll just show you the customized installation so that you will come to know what type of things we basically will get inside that. So in customized installation, nothing but you just will see, you can just customize your things based on what you need, what you don't need. So basically here pip is bundled with this installation. So in the complete installation of process also you will get that thing. Means like where we will just we had to click to just install now button. So now these things we will be getting installed. So I'll just go to next, and here the thing is here now, add Python to environment variables. So this thing should be checked. Okay, so what I'm just telling you, here if it will, you will uncheck this thing, so you have to manually set your environment variables in your edit environment variables path. So don't need to, if you don't want to do that, then definitely you just click on this, and this should also be checked, this 3.2 for all users. And this is the customized installation install location. These two we will just uncheck, no need to uncheck those things. Now this customized install location is this one. We will just click on the install. So as you can see, setup was successful. Now we'll just close this window. Now what will we do? We will just install Visual Studio Code. So that is also needed because we want to run our Python code now in our favorite Visual Studio Code editor. As in the last video we had just run our Python script in simple in command line. Now what will we do? We'll just write Visual Studio Code download, and here we'll just simply go to the first link. And here in this section we will just there are things like for all the OS, Windows, Linux and Mac. So I'll just go with the Windows. Depending upon your platform, you can choose your OS. So let me just click on the Windows. So here we go. We will just get the download section, and here the download process has been started. So it's 94.9 MB, so it will take a few minutes. I'll just fast forward this thing for you. Okay, so setup is almost going to download. It's almost finished. Okay, so it's completed. So now I'll just install it. So I'll just click on it, and here you will see the agreement, and here you just accept the agreement and we'll just click on next, and this is the by default path it will take, so let it be. So click on next and next, and then you can create a desktop icon if you want. So click on next and install. So it will just take a few minutes. So let it install. I'll just pass over this thing for you. So here you can see now it's completed. Now I'll just launch the Visual Studio Code, finish, and it will automatically get launched. Okay, so we'll just open a new window by Control Shift N, and here you can see. So now here what will we do? We'll just go to the file, and here I'll just select open folder, and here we will just select this new volume D, and we will just create one folder, and we'll just give it a name. Let's say we will give it a name. Let's say Python project. Okay, we'll just select this folder, and here we will just create our main.py. So I'll just write main.py, and I'll hit enter, and I'll just write the code here. And before writing the code, as you here you can see the down my bottom right corner here this window came. Here you can see, do you want to install the any recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language? Because obviously we need that extension, and then only we can see those text and all, everything will come on Python. So either we can install from here, or we can go to the extension thing also, and here also we can search Python, and the very first thing in the search will be the same thing what it is suggesting here in this section. So here if I'll just go to the first thing, this is the Python provided by Microsoft, so we don't need to worry about that. So we'll just click on install. So we'll just click on install. So it will just install. Now again we'll go to the file folder, and in the main.py I'll just write one simple script. Let's say this script I have written, and here if I'll just copy paste this thing, and here we can type anything like printing my script. So here you go. Now either we can just click on this, or first we will just click on this run code, and let's see how we'll get the output of this, or whether we'll get the output or not. Let's see. So I'm just clicking it, and automatically the terminal came, and here you can see Python my script, printing my script printed. Now if I just one more way we can just print this run this script. So that is simply you need to do in the terminal section Python, and then your script name, because we are already in the project folder, so no need to change the directory. So Python and your script name, that is main, then press tab and then hit enter. Here also you can see printing my script. So this is the method. You can see we can run the Python code in VS Code using Python extension and all. We can first we need to install Python, and then we need to install VS Code, and then we have to install Python extension for that. So I hope you like this tutorial. In the next video tutorial, I'll show you how we can split one Python program into multiple Python program, and then we can access, how we can run and access our main.py using that program. I'll show you that thing. So if you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.